How to compress audio file size in WavePad. First of all, open WavePad and load the audio file you want to compress by clicking on File and then Open File, or simply drag and drop your file into the WavePad window. Next, go to the File menu and select Save File As. In the Save window, choose your desired compressed audio format such as MP3, which usually offers smaller file sizes. After selecting the format, click on Save. Then, a set of options will appear based on the format you selected. This is where you can adjust the compression settings. Here you can reduce the bitrate. For example, selecting 128 kbps or 96 kbps to decrease the file size. Keep in mind that lowering the bitrate may slightly reduce audio quality. You can also choose mono instead of stereo if you want to compress the file even further. Once you have set your preferred compression options, click Save to export the audio file in its compressed format. Finally, review your new file size and audio quality to ensure it meets your requirements. And that's it. Now you know how to compress audio file size in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.